What's up everybody and welcome back to Valvetronic and welcome to the F80 BMW M3 CS. Now you guys would have seen this car on the channel before, but now it has upgraded Muscleman turbos. So we're gonna get a little bit more turbo sound out of the car with the full Valvetronic Valsport equal length exhaust system. So coming off the downpipes here, we have 2 3/4 piping, runs all the way back. You can see the equalization sections. There's an H pipe right here that also helps with the sound characteristics after the equalization section. And then it winds off into a 3.5 inch section, which really draws all the sound together. And then it goes into the suitcase muffler, which is being covered by this nice carbon diffuser. And what better place to show you than the airstrip? So we're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper. And you're gonna get the fortune of sitting with Abos, Nate, and I on the inside, really experiencing what is truly the best sounding exhaust system on the market for the F8X chassis. Let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, inside the F80 M3 CS, by the way. You guys probably already know this guy. That's our full stainless valve sport exhaust.
Also, I have burbles turned off.
Yeah, like a gentleman.
Because it sounds super good.
You can hear the turbos already.
Yeah, you hear it whining the whole time.
That's pretty crazy.
I love this car now. I absolutely love it.
So how long have you had our catback on the car?
August 2024 is when I put the Valvetronic exhaust, and then February 2025 is when I put the free flow pipes.
The free flow pipes, okay.
On. So that's been the same setup since last year.
And even with the free flow pipes, you still don't have any problems with daily driving or anything?
No, I prefer it.
You prefer it, yeah, because
free flow pipes.
You guys can hear all the drama right now, but as soon as I close the valves, it's like it goes back to being a bone stock F80.
Me personally, I know people complain about the free flow down pipes, but I love them. Yeah. I think it made it sound better.
Yeah, the sound up high, it's probably carries a lot more.
All throughout, I'm a pretty big fan of it.
Does sound good. We're gonna get some windows down. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad, but. Did you get this car tuned?
Yep.
For the turbos?
Yep. But I haven't put on my new injectors nor put ethanol tune, so this is just a base 93 tune.
Okay. Sounds really good.
I love it.
Still get the little braps when you let off as well.
Oh yeah.
Right now, cruising around, it's not like overbearing. Like you can cruise around with the valves open, even with the free flow pipes, and it's.
Me personally, when I get in the car, I usually start it up, valves closed, let it warm up. You gotta also look at the temp, look how cool it's running right now.
I was gonna say, yeah, it's
so
really cool.
That's after with the oil thermostat and stuff. But I usually let the car warm up. Once it's warm, I'm always in Sport Plus with the valves always open. Like always. Like that's just the way I drive.
That's why.
Of course, that's the way I drive. I just love it.
You don't even really have to wring this car out. Sounds good.
I love it.
Did you notice like a big change in the sound from the outside with the turbos, or have you not heard it yet?
I've never heard it from the outside.
Okay, well, maybe we'll today.
This will be the first time.
We'll check back.
Yeah.
I always love these shifts, ready? Like when you're like kind of half throttle and it's
Only time I've ever heard it outside was like it's a DCT on your reversing and you hear it like revving up.
Right.
The spool down. I love it.
Like,
it sounds very similar to my F10 M5 because the F10's turbos are super loud. And this car, you've never heard turbos characteristics after anything. Like the car is just quiet. The turbo are just quiet.
Right.
But upgraded turbos are beautiful. But single sounds good, but I think with the equal length exhaust and the upgraded turbos, it's like a perfect combination.
And that, everybody, is the ultimate sound experience for your F8X M3 or M4. We had an absolute blast taking this F80 M3 CS up and down the airstrip thanks to this guy right here. He looks very goofy, but if you guys are interested in getting one of these for your F80 M3 or M4, all of the F8X generations, we have systems for all of them in stock, ready to go right now. So go head over to valvetronic.com. If you have any questions or concerns, we have a live chat on the website, and we also have a phone number where you can call and talk to real people as well. That being said, stay tuned for our next sound improvement project, where it's not going to be a BMW, still going to be German, might be a Porsche. Take care.